will be changing out your vanity mirror on a Chevy Traverse, Buick Enclave, as well as most likely a GMC Acadia. The first thing that you would want to do is when you take your mirror, you'll see it like this. I actually removed this whole basically sun visor thing right here so I can show you this. So what you would want to do, you don't have to remove this whole thing. So basically remove this mirror. What you're going to do is take you like a flathead screwdriver, go at the edges right here and kind of pop up underneath like that. Then you want to go to this edge, pop underneath like that. Then you go to the other sides of it and pop like that. And when you do that, what you're doing is, as you can see right here, there's these little hooks right here. You have one here, one here, one here, and one here, as well as the back of it. You'll have these little hooks right here pretty much that's going into the back. And if you look at your actual visor itself, you'll have 2 slots back here and you'll have 4 slots on the sides. So basically the mirror just sits in here like this, and you just want to come in, should be turned this way. You would want to come in, like I said, open up the mirror if you want to change it. Take your screwdriver right here, pop on this side, pop on this side, pop on this side, pop on this side, and pop on that side. And once you do that, you'll be able to remove this whole mirror out, just in case you need to change this mirror out. Sometimes if this mirror gets off, it can crack the mirror up, and you may want to put a new mirror in. So that's all you have to do. You don't have to remove the whole visor out of it. All you got to do is, like I said, take a screwdriver in the corners underneath, dig up underneath the corner like just like that, pop on the 4 corners here, 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 here. Then the back of it, you'll have these two hooks right here. If you can see, they kind of hooks in the back of it. So once you do that, you kind of want to take it, you can pull it, or you also may want to take a screwdriver now and just pop it from the top down like that. All right, again, this is how you removing your mirror from out of a Chevy Traverse, Buick Enclave, as well as a GMC Acadia. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.